Newton's first law of motion states that a body at rest will remain at rest and a body in motion unless a force acts upon it. This is also called the law of inertia. Inertia is an object's tendency to stay at rest or keep moving until an external force is applied to change it. In simple terms, objects don't start, stop, or change direction on their own. They need a push or pull from an external force. We can demonstrate inertia in this experiment. For the preparation, we will need 12-inch wooden embroidery hoop, a narrow mouth bottle, and 12 1/4-inch nuts. In this case, we substituted the wooden embroidery hoop with a plastic hoop. Our choice for the narrow mouth bottle was a Sprite in a small bottle, and instead of 12 1/4-inch nuts, we replaced them with coin sets. Carefully balance a 12-inch wooden embroidery hoop vertically on the mat of the narrow mouth bottle. Stack the knots on the top of the hoop. The idea is to get as many knots as possible into the bottle by touching the hoop with only one hand. In the video, when the hoop was tapped gently, the coins on top experienced a brief moment of inertia, keeping them stationary due to the resistance to changes in motion. However, once the hoop is removed without support, gravity takes over. The reason why the coins don't follow the hoop is that they were initially at rest and not subjected to any horizontal force. The force applied was mainly in the vertical direction, causing the coins to fall straight down into the bottle rather than moving horizontally with the hoop. It's a neat demonstration of how objects in motion tend to stay in motion and objects at rest tend to stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force. During the experiment, the winner's technique involved gently tapping the plastic hoop. This caused the coins to slide down onto the hoop, resulting in the coins falling into the bottle. When the hoop was gently tapped, there was not enough friction to prevent the coins from accelerating, causing them to fall directly into the bottle. The coins possessing inertia while perched on the hoop tend to stay stationary. The winner applied enough force to make the hoop swiftly move away from beneath the coins, essentially removing their support. For a brief moment, the coins remained still because they were already motionless. However, the force of gravity took over and pulled the coins down toward the center of the narrow mouth bottle. The winning technique was the gentle tap on the plastic hoop. This method allowed the coins to slide smoothly into the bottle by minimizing friction and utilizing the coin's inertia. The tap induced enough force to swiftly move the hoop, removing support and momentarily defying gravity. This lies in the understanding and manipulating the inertia of the coins. Our going nuts experiment showed us that Newton's first law of motion is more than just a theory. It's a real force. Objects like our coins tend to stay still or keep moving unless an external force such as a gentle tap acts on them. This hands-on experience gives us a clear understanding of the fundamental principles of physics, motion, force, and the law of inertia.